What I have open in front of me are two different displays of OneNote. On the left, I have OneNote that is installed on my computer as part of Office 2013. What I have over here on the right is OneNote in, let's see, I'm using Firefox, so it's in my browser. I got to it through OneDrive in this particular case and opened it in another tab, and here is my full notebook. You'll see I also have it on my iPad. This is what it looks like on the OneNote iPad app, and this is what it looks like on the browser on the iPad. So here are all of my notebooks, and I am in the notebook called Using Art to Inspire Poetry. There's the beginning of that title right there. It's shrunk right now to fit on my screen, but that's the same notebook that I am on in my browser. So you'll see I'm in Booklet, and I'm on the page called Comment on Mrs. G's Poetry. Over here, same thing, Booklet, Comment on Mrs. G's Poetry. So I'm going to leave a comment. This is well written, and I'm leaving that comment in my OneNote installed as part of Office 2013, and you will see it on the right hand side in the browser, and I'm watching my iPad to see when it updates. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture. So I'm going to put a picture over here. Oh, it just updated over here, but there's a box covering over it. And I'm going to put one of my famous Lego pictures, which is really big. So I'm going to shrink that. And notice I'm doing this all in OneNote as part of Office 2013. And then let me move it over here so there's a chance we'll actually see it on my screen since they're so small right now. And then and we'll move this little box out of the way so you can see that text. Now on my iPad, this is well written, came up long ago, and so did the Lego picture. And now you'll see over here in the browser, the same thing has occurred. And here's what it looks like on the iPad in the browser. This is a screenshot of the iPad OneNote app opened to the same spot in the notebook. So now I'm on a different page, but in the same section of the art notebook, and I'm going to start in the browser. I also have it open on my iPad, so I'm going to write a poem. The rain in Spain falls, let's go to the next line, falls gently on the plain. And you'll see that on the left-hand side, it has synced in OneNote, and it has also synced on my iPad. Here's what it looks like in the OneNote app. Now, one of the nice things that I can do directly from the browser is I can insert a picture that's located on my computer, or I can insert a picture that is located in ClipArt. So I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to browse, and we'll just pick this picture here. It's not rain, but it's close enough. Now it is a rather high quality picture, so it's going to take a moment before it loads, but you'll see on the left hand side that in OneNote it sees that there is a picture that is loading. There you go. How about that? At the same time, it has loaded in both places. It has also synced on the iPad in the OneNote app, and we'll switch over here to the browser, and you can see it's also synced there on the iPad as well. As you can see, OneNote is a powerful tool. It allows you to work across your computer using Word as part of Office. It also allows you to work in a browser using OneNote Online, or on the iPad using the iPad app, or the iPad in your browser.